Alright, man, we finally made it. Today is my first day at CDL school. Pat myself on the back. I got my bang. I got my zen. It's time to get ready. Try to take as much content as I can. Obviously, I want to be present and soak up as much knowledge as I can so I can be the best truck driver that I can be. You know what I'm saying? So I'll insert little clips and then I'll talk to y'all once I get up out of here. I'll be here soon, man. The inside of it. All right.
Soggy